Okay, so first of all, today in this webinar, we are going to quick market recap and after finish the market recap, I will do quick question answer and some important announcement regarding moderator. As we have, as you know, the almost 10 moderators is already uh, promoted in a Discord community. Okay. All right. So let's see and start. First of all, look at the Forex market. First of all, GBUSD, Euro USD, and Bitcoin, gold, and Bank Nifty, Nifty, and other some requested pair. Okay. So let's start from the Euro USD. Okay, first of all, you have to check here in a daily time frame perspective, what happening here in a daily time frame and what we can expect in upcoming days, month in a Euro USD. And right now, what's going on based on the candlestick and based on the structure formation. So first of all, look at the structure, right? So if you can see based on the structure, as we know, market momentum was bearish here. Okay, continue market falling and creating break-off structure in a downside. There is no reversal indication. Okay, right now you can see some reversal indication to the upside and we are playing to continuation to the upside. Okay, so if you can see, mark the previous structure. Where is our previous structure? If you start from this one, and this is a single leg move right here, and then continue pushing downside and create the lower low is here, and this is our lower low is here, right? And this become our lower high, and when market break the previous low and break this one, okay, and candle close below it, so this become our break of structure, as you know. Okay, so this become our break of structure. Again push downside, and then what happened here? This become our new lower low, and this become our new lower high, and this become our new break of structure. Again, what happened here? This become our new lower low, lower high, again lower lows, and finally market break this previous high, and this become our change of character, right? So basically this is our CHoCH. Okay, and this CHoCH is based on a higher time frame perspective. And in this case, also market must be close the previous candle high, I mean structure high or low, right? Because you are mapping the structure in a higher time frame. If same thing happening in a lower time frame and break the first pullback, that's called CHoCH, but price must be tapped on your like demand zone. For example here. Okay, so for example, this one is a tap here in on your PY zone, and this is a lower time frame structure. Market broke the first pullback, this one, right? In this case, this become also a CHoCH here. Even this is a not matter, candle close of it or not, this is doesn't matter. Okay, main thing is a broken the previous high or low in a lower time frame. You can definitely take entry based on CHoCH flip. Okay, so this is our higher time frame structure. Market broken the previous structure, CHoCH candle closer and continue pushing higher high. Okay, so you have to wait for it to take out the inducement. When market taken out the inducement, our higher high is a confirmed in a bullish market. So which level market taken out the higher high? Look at this picture is here, this one, right? And look at this zone is a very carefully. Let me show you one more thing is here. And some people ask me that why not this one? Even this one is also a valid pullback is here. Look at this one. Correct. So this one is our pullback. Okay. But look at the previous candle high is here, right? This is a broken. It means this is our valid pullback is here. Look at this picture like this. Like this. So market basically taken out this inducement, and when market taken out the inducement, our low, our higher is a confirm here, which is a correct, absolutely correct, right? But problem is here, in the next wave, you can see market push upside, but market push upside, and this time market break above it, and people are marking this is a boss sometime, right? But this is a not a boss, and this is a not higher low. Why? Because in this leg there is no inducement, so this in low actual low act like an inducement, right? So generally, I mean, basically this is our inducement, right? So this high will be transferred here to here. First transfer here, and then what happened? This inducement, sorry, this high transfer here to here, right? And this inducement is here. So actually our higher high is here, right? If there is any like a inducement create here, so this can be a break-off structure, right? Generally this is a high sweep here. That's why this is our inducement and this is our higher high. Okay. So after taking out the inducement, you have to wait for to take wait for to mitigate your unmitigated order block. This one is our unmitigated order block. You can refine into as a shadow in a shadow. So shadow is here, right? This is a PY type here and going continue upside. So right now, what happening here? At the current price action, what happening? Market pick the previous high, and when market pick the previous high and candle close of it, so this become our valid break-off structure. So this is our break-off structure. And where is our inducement in this case? In this case, inducement is our first pullback. First pullback, where is our pullback? This one. So market must be taken out this pullback before continuing go higher high, right? So if continue going higher high as per our plan, so this become our another peak of structure. Maybe market come back to this level and then continue going higher high. And then what happened here? Market taken out this first pullback, mitigate something here. Okay, this is a decisional PY and continue going higher high like this, and this area, I mean this point become our higher high and a higher low, and this become our break of structure. So this structure act like this one. Okay, so now point is here, what are we are looking for the next week? We are looking for the buy and sell. Okay, so based on the previous candlestick formation, what are you looking here? If you are looking based on structure and if you are looking based on the candlestick formation, you will see two different story. First one is based on candlestick formation. So this is our inducement right now as per the current price action, current structure. This is our inducement, right? So price must be taken out this inducement to confirm our higher high. So market must be taken out this one. So but problem is here, just below it there is no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. So very highly chances market type here and gives a reaction to the upside. Okay, and then break this high and create new pullback, new inducement as we have recently explained. Okay, so this is our order block. Okay, and this is a SMT actually here, right? But this one price type here and gives reaction to the upside, but you have to buy here. Okay, you can buy here, but you can buy in a two scenario. First one, if price type here and gives a single candle order block confirmation, then you can go for it for buy. Second one is here, if market came back, sweep this and create a single candle order block, you can buy here, right? So these two possible scenario is here for buy. Look at the candlestick behavior right now. What happening here? Look at the previous candlestick high is here, and this one is a broken. When market broken the previous candle high or low, you have to switch in a immediately in a 15-minute time frame, chalk flip, and then you can take entry as we have done. But this is a not a high probability sell is here. Why? Because these 3-4 candles are extremely bullish. It means momentum is a bullish based on candlestick formation. So we can buy for the as a pro trend, because everything is a pro, everything is a bullish, so we can go for long term. But if market create any sell opportunity, then you can sell, but for the short term, for the counter trend. Okay, so right now same thing happened here. Previous day high broken and sweep and close below it, so we can sell here, but for the short term, this one. And this is our zone, right? As you know, the if price came back to mitigate this one, and then we can sell here. But if you want a refinement here, look at this one. This is unmitigated shadow is here. So price type here, and then we can go for it, sell. And when sell till this order block, right? I know this is a SMT, right? This is a SMT here, but you have to buy when market create single counter order block. You are not buying here for the long term, but you can buy if market taken out the inducement, right? Okay, so now switch here in a 15-minute time frame. So right now, what happening here in a 15-minute time frame, as you can see here, this was our refinement. Okay, look at this picture is here. Previous day high broken, low broken, chalk, push downside, and what we can expect here? We can expect market must be taken out the inducement. This one is an inducement. After taking out the inducement, probably we are looking here for sell at this point, right? And where is our next possible scenario? This one, right? So basically you have a two PYs here when we can take entry for the sell, and first one is a decimal and second one is a an extreme, which is high probability, right? So here you can play in a two scenario. First one is here, refine this zone in a lower time frame. In a 1 minute time frame, you will see multiple order block is here. You have to wait for it to mitigation, right? Mitigate, and then market gives a single, like in a lower time frame confirmation is here, then definitely you can sell here. Okay, and second one is here, if market continue going higher high and failed this one, this demand, sorry, supply, right? So you can buy here, but till this extreme mitigation, short term you can buy here. When market type here gives a reaction and failed and create any flip or chalk anti model, you can sell it till this low at least and maximum. As you know, the previous this is a auto block, this is a zone as per the daily candlestick formation. So overall, this is a scenario in a Euro USD in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay. Now going to switch in a next pair is a GPUSD. Let's see quick GPUSD what happening here. First of all, check in our daily time frame perspective what happening here. In a daily time frame, similar story as we have done in a Euro USD. Same thing happening. The previous high is broken here, and this become our brick of structure. Look at this one. What happening here and what we can expect here? Simply, you have to wait for it to take out the inducement, then we can take it. Okay. So where is our pullback? Is here. So this is the inducement. Market must be taken out of the inducement before continue to upside. So where is our next PY? This one. Correct. So generally, you have this PY for buy to the upside in a GPUSD based on a candlestick and structure formation. So right now, this is our structure is here. This is our previous higher high is here, right? And this is a higher low. Higher low. Why this higher low? Because the structure broken and candle close of it. Okay. First pullback taken out and tap here and go continue upside. If same thing work here, then this become our higher high because market momentum is a bullish. If market failed, right, then what you should in this case, you have to wait for it to create a sell opportunity like inducement taken out, mitigate here, and then sell till the extreme order block mitigation. And then we can continue to the upside, and this become our higher high, and this become our higher low, and this become our peak of structure is here. Okay. Now switch here in a lower time frame. Okay, but before to switch in a lower time frame, you have to check here what happening here based on candlestick formation. Look at the previous candle, I mean previous day high, which is here and broken and candle close below it. So in this case, how you can deal in this situation? You have to wait for it to mitigate your unmitigated shadow or unmitigated in a 15-minute order block, right? So where is our PY? First one is here, right? This is an unmitigated shadow and this is a high probability. As you know, the shadow always act like a high probability because this shadow taken out the previous day liquidity, right? And second one is the you can use entire candle as a PUI, right? Because the candle close below it and cover the previous candle low is here, and next candle open and mitigation, right? And then you can sell here, and you have to refine here in a 15-minute time frame order block because you are using daily time frame, so you can refine into 15 minute. So in this case, let's check here where is our unmitigated order block and unmitigated everything. First of all, check from top to bottom, right? Because market fall in a bullish to bearish. So this shadow looks unmitigated here. So this one is our first PY when we can sell here. And this one is a more important. Why? Because this one is a taken out the liquidity, the previous minor structure taken out the liquidity. That's why this is our like high probability zone for the sell. This is the first PY. And where is our next one? Next one, we have to check here. In the first one is our SMT, and next above it, this one. So basically, you have a two PY is here. First one is decisional, and next one is extreme, right? And you can definitely sell here if market type here, and same scenario will be applicable as we have done in a Euro USD. Price type here gives a CHoCH, and then we can sell here, right? So this is our possible scenario is here in a based on a GBP USD in a higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay. Now going to switch in a next pair is a gold. And gold are also similar story is here as we have done in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, same perspective like GBP USD, Euro USD, similar thing. Look at this one. This is our previous single candle order block is here. Like previous candle covered by this black candle, and next candle mitigation. You have to wait for it to mitigation and then sell, and then continue go higher because this act like an inducement price type here, and this will be work similar as we have done in a like a Euro USD and GBP USD. If I switch here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. So in a 15-minute time frame, this is our first PO is here because inducement taken out, and after taking out the inducement, we are looking for the entry. So where is our PY after taking out the inducement? First PO is here, so price must be taken out, and next one is here, and these two PY is here, similar GBP and Euro USD. So price must be taken out. Tap this one, and then we can sell here. So, but market create here anything like this structure is here. So we can buy here for short term because this is a counter trend like this one. Higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low like this one. And this is a counter trend, right? Like this. Price type here and gives any CHoCH or flip entry module, you can sell here till this low. And this one, inducement, mitigation, and sell, right? So this is first decisional, and same thing will be applicable here on extreme, this one, right? So this is a possible scenario in a GPUSD, in a EURUSD, and gold. Okay. For the additional refinement, you can go for it in a 1 minute time frame to check your 1 minute order block and wait for it, because when price type on your 15-minute PY, as we have done, as we have explained in a part 15, I think 15, 14, in an entry tabs explanation, you have to refine into 1 minute time frame to see exactly price type there, and you have to wait for CHoCH or flip and then sell. Okay, sometime what happened actually, let me show you exactly. This is the important thing. Like this is a PY, entire zone is a PY. Okay, and price type here, when price type here, and then market gives a momentum, and you are bidding for CHoCH, price give here CHoCH, and then you are looking here for sell, for example, right? But what happened here, market failed this setup, and market continue to go higher high, and then CHoCH, and then failed, and this work here. Why? Because this order block, this is an unweighted order block type here in a 1 minute, and then create a structure, and then you can sell here. Right now there is a no structure type here in a 1 minute time frame. That's why this one is a failed, right? So you have to prepare here in a both side. I mean, in a lower time frame, in a higher time frame, in a both side multiple confirmation before enter here. Okay. Look at the 1 hour on demand zone. Look at the, sorry, if you see in a based on a different time zone, you will see different structure. Like 1 hour is a different story, 4 hour different story, in a 15 minute is a different story also. So I'm just explaining based on a daily candlestick behavior and 15 minute. Okay. So if you check here, okay, in a 1 hour time frame, everything is a bullish, right? Based on a 1 hour time frame, you will see this become our bullish break of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's it, right? Higher high and higher low. This one. Exactly. Tap on unmitigated order block is here. Right? So price type here, and based on a 1 hour time frame, it's a bullish, right? But as per the daily time frame candlestick, you can sell there, right? So you can simply buy here till this order block mitigation, as we have explained in a Euro USD GBP like this mitigation, and buy here, right? Till this one. If market gives any reversal confirmation here, then definitely go for it. Short term buy here, okay, based on 15-minute time frame and based on 1 hour time frame. It means buy is a little bit good till this order block mitigation. Okay. All right. Now switch here in a different pair. It's a bank nifty. Let's see what happening here. First of all, check here in a weekly time frame, daily time frame, and everything. All right. So based on a weekly time frame is looking bullish and continue pushing higher high. Market must be taken out the before continue upside, taken out the previous candle higher low, then definitely you can buy or sell. So if you can see here based on the previous tick candle high, I mean previous week candlestick buy or sell. So look at this one. In this scenario, you can see how many times the previous week candle high low sweep here. And then market gives momentum like previous big low sweep here and go higher, right? But you don't need to buy here, because you are not sure when market open, then there is no guarantee that sweep or not. You have to wait for it candle closer, right? Then you can go for it. And next time market sweep this high, sell, push downside, and there is no sweep here, pushing downside. This is an inside move, but finally market sweep this one, sweep this one, candle close out of it, and then buy here. Same scenario will be applicable if market taken out this like the previous big low, and then go for it, right? Buy here. So this is applicable here in a higher time frame, in a lower time frame, everywhere. Okay. Now switch here in our daily time frame, and after this one, I have to switch in a 15-minute, 5-minute. Okay. So right now, same situation happening here. The previous low sweep here, previous to low sweep here, and then go for it buy here, right? So many times sweep and then continue going higher high. So what we can expect here? You can see the previous, if you mark the draw trend line, then you will see trend line broken, and which is an indication people are looking here for buy. then in this case, very highly chances that market sweep, collecting the money and they failed breakout, right? Because everyone looking here for buy. Okay, so possibly price type here. Okay, and capture action, at least taken out this low before continue go a higher high in this case. Okay, if market unable to hold this order block and fail this one, so where is next py? Next py is here on an extreme, this one, right? Because this is our higher low. Look at this one, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So this is next possible scenario is here like this, and break of structure. Okay, now switch here in a 5-minute time frame. So when market generally break the previous day high or low, okay, and candle closer, then you have to switch immediately in a 5-minute time frame, wait for it, pause, choke, and inducement, then go for it buy. Okay. Like the previous day high broken, taken out the inducement, mitigate or a block, and go for it. And next day, market open here. Okay, here. This one broken, just sweep, inducement, mitigate or a block, go higher. Break the structure, inducement sweep, buy here. Break the structure, market close. Break the structure, there is no inducement, otherwise this become our good entry for buy. Right now, if market create here anything, okay, like market open something like this, break the previous day high, and you have to wait for it to create a structure, taken out the inducement and buy. Okay. Nifty. Okay. Let's see what happening here in a Nifty. First of all, you have to check here in a daily time frame what happening here. In a daily time frame perspective, similar story as we have done in a bank Nifty. Breakout the trend line is here, this one. Okay. Okay. Trend line broken. And when market broken the trend line, then similar story, people are looking for the buy and sell because people are anticipating this is a breakout. But this breakout converted into fake out actually, because everyone looking here similar story, everyone looking here for buy. Okay, so based on a structure formation, higher high, higher low, and this is an unmitigated shadow is here. Okay, and probably market taken out this high and then mitigate this or a block is here, right? And then gives momentum to the downside before to continue upside. This low act like an inducement is here, right? And this is a first scenario. And next scenario is here. Market tab on your order block is here. Gives reaction and fail. Again continue go upside and then fail. Taken out the inducement and mitigate something here and continue go higher. Price must be taken out the liquidity before continuation to the upside or downside. So this is a overall scenario as per the higher time frame perspective, but we are mostly a day trader, so you have to wait for it to see exactly what happening here. So first of all, mark your zone. I think this one is a mitigate here. Okay, looks unmitigated here. Okay, you have to check here in a 5-minute time frame again. So this is our 5-minute time frame, and market continue pushing upside. And now you can see market open, wait for inducement, and then you can go for it buy if market momentum is a bullish. But if market taken out the previously high or low, break the chalk, okay, like in this case, previous to low broken, like for example, market broken the previous to low and then chalk, right? So this become our more high probability entry for the buy, right? Because market already grabbed the liquidity. When market break the previous day high or low, people generally looking for the buy and sell. Okay. Okay, here I think market were open. I think here, this one. Inducement taken out, order block mitigation, and continue going high. This one is a similar story. Inducement taken out. There is no order block, but market push upside, broken. And here, I think this is a not a setup. 915. Okay, this is not broken. There is no still confirmation. Okay. No, sir, this is a not setup here. For Nifty, usually you can take first one, you have to mark the previous day high or low. And next one is a 5-minute as a higher time frame, wait for chalk and wait for like pause, chalk, and then inducement taken out, tap on order block, and then you can buy. Right. I already explained in ebook videos everywhere. If you wish to check like a higher time frame perspective, like 15-minute time frame, you can take also for additional reference. In this case, market taking out the previous day higher low, then we can, 15-minute previous higher low, then you can buy or sell, right? Previous day high low sweep, single candle order block and buy here. Okay. And why this one? Because market taking out the inducement. This high, this low is the inducement. This is our higher high. So after this inducement, where is our unmetered order block? Probably here. Right. And buy here. Okay. All right. So this one is almost done. Sir, so many analysis, SDFC, OZPY. Okay, let's look at your SDFC. First of all, you have to check here in a daily time frame perspective. Daily time frame perspective, everything is a bullish and continuing going higher high, break the previous high is here and candle close of it. So this is generally break of structure, market momentum extremely bullish. Simply you can buy after 5-minute chalk, 5-minute boss or chop, and then wait for inducement, tap on order block, and then buy. Right? Simple story. Similar story in HDFC Bank and HDFC. Okay. Ethereum USDT. Ethereum will be also bullish because Bitcoin is going upside. Let's check in a weekly time frame first. Based on a weekly time frame perspective, market must be taken out the inducement. So right now there is no inducement. Where is inducement? This one. So after taking out this high, we can sell it. as per the inducement theory, right? Until this taken out this one, you can buy here on this order block, because the previous low structure sweep here mitigate your order block, and then you can go for it buy. Again, taken out the inducement and go for it buy as per the higher time frame perspective. Nice 100. Next 100, you have to check here in a daily time frame first. Based on a structure and based on a candlestick formation, I think market trying to recover upside, because the previous low is a sweep here, multiple sweep here. Okay, sweep, sweep, continue pushing upside, taking out the inducement, mitigate something, again continue. Okay, and then we are also looking here for buy after taking out this inducement based on a structure formation. This one. Right, this is right now is some T, but price must be taken out this one, and before continuing go higher, this is unmetered order block is here. Okay, and if you can see here, based on candlestick formation, the previous day high sweep here, down side. So this shadow act like a PY, as you know, because the previous day high sweep, and you can maximum target is here. ACM range and strategy. Sir, ACM range already explained in a videos course, so you can watch them. Okay, so no more analysis. And now I have to start quick question answer session. फोर आवर बॉस के बाद में क्या करें 15 मिनट में? After 4 hour break of structure, you have to wait for a 4 hour inducement taken out. Okay, when market taken out the inducement in a 4 hour time frame, okay, or maybe inducement sweep, maybe order block tap, okay, then you have to switch in a 15-minute time frame for CHoCH and wait for also inducement and then buy or sell, as we have also done in a 15-minute time frame, in a 1 minute time frame. Similar correlation will be, I mean, similar situation will be used in a 4 hour and 15-minute time frame and 1 hour and 5 minute time frame. Do you know about RSSs? I don't know what is RSS. Please ask one by one question, then I can understand. I told you strategic candle liquidity. I backtest has been percent 41%, loss 33, break even 22. Is that good? Yes, sir. Definitely is a good. 40 to 50% is a very good in a SMC, because it's all about risk management. Okay, even if you have a 1:3, 4 hour, 3 hour, which is very good. Can you does break of structure need also a valid pullback like CHoCH? So break of structure need candle closer, right? To confirm higher high and lower low, we need inducement. This one is our previous day high is here. Liquidity grab, breakfast structure is here. This one is a CHoCH. Taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, where is order block? Where is PY? This one. So if price type here and switch in a 1 minute time frame, you can sell here. Okay. Till this low at least. Sir, check. Please don't spam, otherwise you will be automatic remove. Check GPSD compare daily and 4 hours. Sir, 4 hour and daily in a daily time frame I already done, in a 15 minute also done. So you can watch them again. Sir, 3 hour time frame, if you see 5 minute is a lower time frame. No, sir, 3 hour and 5 minutes is a very larger difference. Okay. 1 hour and 5 minute you can use it. If you are using 3 hour, then you have to use at least 10 minutes. टेलीग्राम पे क्वेश्चन पूछा, सेंड किया, आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. सर ऐसे रिप्लाई नहीं होता है. I think more than 300 plus, is a pending reply for general members. Okay. So if you not receive your reply, then you can again text me on Telegram. Then your message is on me on top. Then I will definitely respond to you. Please add into Telegram. Sir, I don't have any Telegram group. Transferring high-low sweep. Transferring high-low sweep when market break the previous high or low, but sweep, not create any inducement. That case, we transfer. I already explained in a GPU, in a USD markup. Why you don't send your trade on Telegram? Right now, I'm not trading. In a Ramadan month, after 1 week, I will start everything. So please make a video on single candle mitigation, Philip and Sir, I already make a lot of videos based on single candle mitigation. As you know, in a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these are all topic cover in a single candle mitigation entries. Also in an ebook. Good risk reward for scalping. For scalping, 2 hour, 3 hour max. Right. And I want to mention one more thing for moderator especially. And as we know, there are 8 to 10 moderators added in a community. So moderator will help to you, and I will help for moderator. Okay. On every week, I will do, if possible, every week on maybe in a 2-3 times in a month. Okay. It's depend, right? In a time availability, I will help for a moderator, and moderator will help you. Okay. In a community. What is difference between IFC and SCOB? SCOB means create, simply taken out the inducement, right? IFC, which taken out the structural liquidity. That's called IFC, institutional funding candle. So basically, those create on top of the structure and bottom of the structure. For the entire important to see daily time frame. Yes, sir, you have to check daily time frame, but you have to check daily candlestick behavior. Okay, structure wise is not good as a day trader, but candlestick behavior you have to check as a day trader. They what happening the previous day, high, low, and why is it broken or not. That's It's okay to use 5 minute structure as a main, sir. No, sir. In a forex market, 5 minute is not good as a major time frame. Definitely, you can use 15 minute, but 5 minute is not good. 5 minute you can use in a stock market, Nifty, Bank Nifty in a stock market because they open for some specific hours. That's why. So, what if inducement is at low? I not understand what your question. Inducement means is a low on bottom or top, doesn't matter. Inducement can be everywhere, anywhere. सर आप सेल सेटअप पे ज़्यादा कंपेयर लो. I like to sell actually compared to the buy. How many trades in a personally I take 3-4 trades in a week. मेरा क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ लो. क्वेश्चन आपका किधर है, आप बताओगे तभी पढ़ेंगे ना. Our have work in Indian market. Yes, sir, work everywhere. Asian session range. Asian session range, I already explained in a video course, so you can watch them. In a EU last day candle high low both sweep previous day high low, the leg is a bullish. Should we look for buy that according to the candlestick formation? So if look at this one, Euro USD. Yes, sir. The previous day high low sweep here, right? The previous day high low sweep here. So you can go for it in a both side, like buy and sell, right? And check here in a 50-minute time frame. Yes, sir. You can go for it, but as we have done the previous big sweep here, and you have to alert here this one and this one in a on 2 py, right? So you have to alert here, and this is our demand, this one, right? This one is a inducement like this, taken out and continue to higher, which is I already explained, right? Session range window. Session range, I don't know which you are talking. Session range. Based on session, I already make videos, so you can watch them. I also mention in an ebook. In your last 10 days, you said I'm not trading even 20 more than 20 days. This entire month, I will start after Eid, after 1 month. Sorry, 1 week. How can you get logic trading also? If you know Hindi, you can text me on Telegram or Discord. I will give you access of logic trading. If you know Hindi, actually. Is there a time issue? I'm not available in SN and London session. I want to trade in a New York, sir. Any strategy to trade? Yes, sir. New York is a best time frame for a forex market. I mostly trade in a forex market in a New York time and sometime in a London. You don't trade in a ASEAN session because low volume and very high spread that time. Daily chart as a mandatory. Yes, sir. Day chart you can use as a reference. What happening the previous candlestick structure when you are looking for the buy and sell. When you gonna make some indicator. I'm not actually. I don't know exactly that how we can create indicator and these type of things, right? But a few members create already few indicators like a pullback, right? So you have to you can use them also, okay? But when you are when you understand that how pullback and these things is a work, then you can automatically you can mark them manually. Mr. Khan, please, would you like to say rotating? Yes, sir. I'm soon I will share a trading plan that how you should follow right before execution and what kind of confirmation you should uh, to check before buy and sell. Sorry to ask you what your main income source. My main business is a real estate, as I told you already so many times. My main business is a real estate, and trading is my secondary. Okay, you check GPUSD. Sir, GPUSD is already done. Euro USD also done. Gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So many pairs already done. If you are late, then no worry. I will upload on Discord so you can watch them. Can you show your face? Why face, everyone? Where do you live? I live in India, Uttar Pradesh, city of Yogi Adityanath. Sorry, state of Yogi Adityanath. Okay, so I have to finish this stream. Okay, when do backtesting? Recently, I've done a backtesting session. So every week is a different thing you have to do. Sir, I already done so many backtesting sessions, so you can watch the previous webinar. I already mentioned in a description where I mentioned backtesting, so you can watch them so many times. Okay, so in upcoming weeks, in upcoming webinar, I will do also quick, backtesting and question answer everything. Why volatility during 5 to 6 p.m.? Because that time New York session open and London and New York both session are overlapping. That's why volume increase and volume on a peak point. That's why it's a very high volatility that time. सब पुलिस मार्केट में स्ट्रक्चर के लो में आईडीएम है तो वैलिड है यस अगर आईडीएम है तो वैलिड है फेस फेस का क्या करोगे Mr. Khan, in a session timing 15-minute sweep working, can I follow that? Yes, sir. Of course you can. If working for you, definitely you can go for it. दिखा भी दो. अरे नहीं सर, बाद में देखते हैं कभी. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the stream. Okay, everyone. Now these are very general question, and now I have to finish this stream. First of all, I have to stop this recording.